Hello and welcome to another episode of Follow the Money, where we are following the stimulus check delays affecting people who filed taxes with H&R Block, TurboTax, and Liberty Tax. I just want to give you guys a quick update on Liberty Tax. Now, Liberty Tax issue is a delay just like H&R Block, but it's a little bit different. When you go to the Check My Payment tool on the IRS website, link in the description, once you finally fill out the form and submit it, when your payment information comes up on the IRS portal, it'll say that your second stimulus check went to an account number that is not yours, right? But check this out. It's the last four digits of your social security number. So how are they depositing checks into your social security number? How do you access that? So it's very unfortunate though, but for Liberty Tax filers, I have no idea where their money went. I'm assuming that it just went to a mass distribution corporate Liberty Tax bank account, and they'll be redistributing those funds to the correct bank accounts and prepaid debit cards if that's what you opted for during your tax returns. Why tax return services are processing stimulus payments still is a mystery to me. I'm not sure why they just couldn't go directly to people as they did on the first round of stimulants. But I did learn the first round of stimulant payments for $1,200 in April of 2020. There was a very similar issue with Liberty Tax, Jackson Hewitt, H&R Block, and TurboTax. So this is going to be a consistent issue, you guys, throughout the years. If this pandemic continues and we continue to get these stimulus payments, these intermediary tax servicers are going to have these issues, and they're going to cause these mass delays. Now, Liberty Tax has put out a press release that I find very interesting. It's called ABC 13 News. I'll put the link in the description. Basically, it says if you're still waiting on your part of your stimulus checks, experts are asking you not to panic. Well, that's easy for them to say if you're expecting this money and you need this money to survive for you and your family. That's not, you're going to panic, and that's okay. And then it goes on to say, first and foremost, wait until January 15th before doing anything, as that is the final day for the IRS to finish processing payments. Well, if you're on my channel listening to these delayed stimulus payment updates, your money was already processed by the IRS. That's not the issue. The issue is it was sent to the wrong bank account. It was sent to your tax preparer's account, and now you're at their mercy to receive your payment from them, okay? So that's not even the issue. According to the Washington Post, more than 1 million Americans are still waiting to get their whole stimulus check. Keyword whole. Some people only got partial payments. I'm not even sure how this happened. Others got some of the money, but are waiting on the money coming from their dependents. So some people got the $600 for themselves, but if they had a qualified dependent, they didn't get the dependent $600. That is absolutely ridiculous. Direct deposit payments should have gone out on the first of the month. As for mailed payments, that might take the IRS a little bit longer. This is a quote from the IRS page. Right now, they are getting ready to mail payments on January the 6th. Michelle Carson, the general manager of Liberty Tax Service off Memorial Avenue in Lynchburg, said, if you go on the IRS website, you can see the payments tool, and you can click on when you receive the first payment and when you may receive the second payment. Duh, we already know this. Again, they're deflecting. That is not the issue. The issue is the payment has already been sent out by the IRS, but to the wrong account. And when is Liberty Tax going to pay people their stimulus payments in the correct amount? If you do not get the money by the 15th, the article goes on to say, employees at Liberty Tax Service say you'll need to file for it on your 2020 tax returns, which I think is a scam. Once you file your taxes, you can expect to get the stimulus money when you get your tax refund. You can start filing your tax returns now. Who is getting W-2s right now on January 5th? I don't know not one person getting a W-2. like and comment and subscribe, of course, you guys. And if you got a W-2 already for 2020, please comment and let us know. I just don't believe anybody has even gotten them yet to start filing their tax returns. This article is blatantly bogus. This year, tax experts say it's recommended you start early filing your taxes if you're waiting on that stimulus money. The sooner you file, the sooner you will receive the stimulus if you haven't gotten it already, Carson said. Oh, Carson, really uninformative article that really doesn't put anyone's mind at ease who is still missing their stimulus payments. But I digress. That is what the media is pumping out regarding these delays, which the content usually is unacceptable and uninformative and very unhelpful. So I did want to get you guys know that Liberty Tax, especially, is putting out a public statement that if you don't receive your stimulus check by them on January 15th, you will have to file it with your 2020 tax return. So the 15th is the magic number. That's what most of us will be waiting for who filed 2019 taxes through Liberty Tax. If this was helpful to you, please like and subscribe as I post more updates throughout the day. Again, I think the Liberty Tax issue is a little bit more alarming than the H&R Block issue, just because they're putting that the money was deposited to your social security number. So until next time, you guys, I may be posting one more video this evening as more information comes in, updating us on the status of these delayed stimulus payments. Thanks.